Hello Aspira students, my name is Michael and I'm a learning specialist here at Lehigh Carbon Community College. As learning specialists, we are key parts of your support network here. We are located in the Educational Support Services area of the college. Our learning specialists can help you in a large variety of areas, and we can help you improve your success here at LCCC and beyond. For instance, I often help Aspira students with making the successful adjustment from where they are to college. Succeeding in college is not easy, but you can do it, and we are here to help. I very often help students like you figure out strategies to balance your multiple responsibilities. You have many important responsibilities: college, work, family, and we can help you find the best balance for you so that you can be successful here at LCCC. Finally, there are many different kinds of college challenges ahead of you, and we have lots of college success tips around note-taking, reading, and study skills that can help you be successful. So here's our contact information. Reach out to us if there's anything we can do to help you be more successful here at LCCC. Hope to see you soon.